Good afternoon. Welcome to day 329 at the EMA office, where I'm joined by Chairman Mark Kern, and today we have Operations Manager Randy Randolph. Randy, you have been running around all day, and we appreciate that help. But
Yes, sir.
you get to fill in today for Sam and Mila.
Definitely. Thank you, Director. We'll go over the numbers for today. So far, in St. Clair County, we have tested 262,112 residents. That's an increase of 1,672 since yesterday. Of those, we have 26,513 positive tests, which equates to 97 new for today, males and females under the age of 1 to their 90s. That brings our daily county positivity rate to 5.8%. Negative test results is 235,599. Total deaths for the county is 425, and unfortunately that is an addition of 2 new deaths for St. Clair County. A female in their 60s and a male in their 80s, both with unknown health conditions. And as always, our thoughts and prayers go out to their families. Those that have completed the IDP's required 10-day isolation period is 25,074. For state totals, the state has tested 16,464,740. Out of those, positives were 1,141,219. That's an increase of 3,660 since yesterday. And for deaths, there's an increase of 83, bringing the total in the state to 19,526. For hospitalization numbers, those currently in St. Clair County hospitals, there are 71 COVID-19 patients currently hospitalized, and 5 of those are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 123 patients in the hospital due to COVID-related reasons, and 6 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities that are currently or have previously been in outbreak status, and we will only announce the changes to those facilities. Cedar Ridge of Lebanon has 171 cases and 22 deaths, and that's an increase of 1 case for that facility. Cedar Trails of Freeburg has 38 cases and 3 deaths, and that's an increase of 3 cases. Four Fountains has 152 cases and 30 deaths. That's an increase of 1 death. And finally, Mercy Rehab and Care Center in Swansea has 129 cases and 18 deaths, which is an increase of 1 case for that facility. Just so you're aware, there are some testing opportunities coming up next week. As always, the St. Clair Square Mall is testing 7 days a week. So that's always available, but we do have some community testing available on Tuesday, February 9th from 8 to 4 p.m. at the Dupo Firehouse, and we'll be sure to post these up on our Facebook page, as well as Friday, February 12th at the Caseyville Village Hall parking lot. So we'll post those up on our page, and with that, I'll turn it over to Chairman Kern.
Great. Thank you, Randy.
Thank you.
Nice job at the fairgrounds. I know you've been working there, and we appreciate your help there, too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, we'll move into the zip code report. In 62201, we're up 1 today to 549. 62203 is down 1 to 574. And 62206 up 5 to 1214. 62208 up 4 to 1477. 62220 up 10 to 1884. 62221 up 7 to 2548. 62223 up 9 to 1583. 62225 up 1 today to 130. 62226 up 20 to 2,921. 62232 up 3 to 833. 62239 up 5 to 427. 62243 up 7 to 691. 62254 up 3 to 747. 62255 up 5 to 73. 62260 up 3 to 730. 62264 up 2 to 335. 62269 up 13 today to 2,995. And 62285 up 5 to 515. 97 new positives, 1,672 people tested, brings our daily county positivity down today to 5.8%. That brings our rolling average then down to 7%, all headed in the right direction. Regional positivity is also down today, and we're down to 6%. That's derived by Bond County coming in at 1.4. Good job, Bond. Clinton, 5.1%. Good job, Clinton. Madison, 6.3%. Good job, Madison. Monroe, 2.4%. Good job, Monroe. Randolph, 1.8%. Great job, Randolph. St. Clair County, 3%. Way to go, Team St. Clair. And Washington County today, 4.7%. So all those numbers looking good. Restaurants open, which is a great thing. We're hearing a lot of positives from the business community, and we're encouraging everybody go out and make sure that you patronize these places, but wear your mask. Watch the social distancing, and certainly wash your hands. Let's keep these places open. Let's keep these numbers down, and go out and get tested if you think you've been exposed. Get that vaccine put in your arm, and we're gonna be back rolling in the not too distant future, Herb.
We are, and just before we came on today for the live briefing, Mila and Sam sent me word that, we're over about 850 vaccinated today, and we still have several hours to go. So looks like we're going to be right there at that 1,000 that we've been working at each day. So for all of you who have been coming down there, I was there biggest part of the day. Thank you for the kind comments. A lot of good comments on the feed and on the page today. Everybody just seems to say how nice it is down there, and it's a lot of work, a lot of teamwork. We have to stress the fact that please, right now we're doing 65 of age or older. A couple of questions came in on that. If you're 65 years of age or older, please, it's for you. Go in and sign up on the EMA page showing your interest for the vaccine, or on the health department. Today there's 67,530 citizens that have signed up, which is 2,396 since yesterday. So people are taking advantage of it. The call center is, the phone, and as Randy can tell you, is just steadily ringing from the time it starts in the morning until 3 o'clock every afternoon.
And the people in the call center are just doing a great job. They're friendly. They're trying to help you. So make sure that sometimes you have trouble getting through. Just keep trying, and someone will get to you and get you signed up. General Neely was here, and he certainly is doing a great job for us at the fairgrounds. Governor's office, Illinois Department of Public Health coming through with vaccine. We are moving, and we certainly can always use more vaccine, because as people who've been there, and gone through, we have some excess capacity there. We could add people, and it would really not detract from the service that's being offered. So we've got a good system there. It was put together well. Herb and Mila, you guys are to be certainly congratulated, and then all of Team St. Clair who joined in. There are so many pieces to making something like that work, and I'll tell you what, the county could not be more appreciative of the teamwork that's gone into that.
Well, and then, standing down there and watching the people come in, it's kind of like a sigh of relief for them. They'll stop while they're waiting to get waited on, and just thank everybody. And, the staff, the medical personnel, the National Guard, everybody's attitude is just, hey, we're here to help, and that's what we want to do. I want to give a shout out to Royal Catering, providing a lunch today for the entire staff down there. I think they served 125 meals. Everybody was appreciative to that, a nice hot meal on a cool day, and we got some cold weather coming in, so
we're going to be adding some heaters, but be patient with the workers. It's going to be 0 degrees on a couple days, it looks like. So we're going to continue to operate. We're going to continue to vaccinate every day that we have scheduled. We'll be there, and as long as the vaccine holds out, our people are dedicated and tough, and they're going to make sure that you're vaccinated.
And Mila and I made an executive decision today. We're putting you in charge of the vaccine of getting more.
Okay.
So that's your duty. You've been doing a
I'll
pretty
get out
good
my
job.
chemistry set.
There
Well,
you
Herb,
go.
I think it's important to point out too, as you've said numerous times, patience is the word of the month. I'm not sure if that's actually the character word of the month, but it needs to be for these people, especially in our call center. Because you just said the number of people who have signed up, and if only 1% of those people are trying to call us every day, that's a lot of people.
It's a lot.
And the same at the fairgrounds, just patience is key.
Patience is, I mean, we're this close, the light at the end of the tunnel, we can see it, it's brighter now. As the chairman said, if we had more vaccine, we have the capacity there at that site to enlarge, that we have the staffing available, but unfortunately, we're not manufacturing the vaccine, so we have no control over that. But we will continue to put the needles on the arms as it comes in. Like I said, the health department, the chairman's working every day, pleading our case. This is the largest drive-through site, and I think it's so convenient, especially for the population that we started off on. And even as we drop those age limits down, the idea of people being able to stay in their cars and get their vaccine is really the way to do it. I see people on here saying that, from the time they got on the lot, it was less than 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and that's with their 15 or whichever lot they have to sit in. So that's not bad to get the vaccine. So we appreciate everything. We will be back here tomorrow for day 330, but we'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish community. And then everybody have a good evening, and let's continue Team St. Clair to show that we are going to get this put behind us. Have a good evening.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible enemy.